In this tutorial, we are going to be getting rid of the previous and next buttons on the storyline's story_HTML5.html file. So what we want to do is grab a text editor and go to your folder that has the file, and you'll want to open the story_HTML5 file with that text editor. And the first thing that you're going to want to do is identify where the div tags begin and end for the next and previous buttons so that we can get rid of them. So where I will be looking for this is where the previous and next button labels are. So as you can see, they're right here, and I want to get rid of this whole string. So the first thing that I would do is, I don't want to delete any extra div tags because I have done that before. That we might need. So what I'm going to do is meticulously go in and make sure that I identify all of the pairs. And the cool thing about Sublime Text is you can see where the ending and close div tags are when you click on them, because you'll see this one matches with this one, so those two go together. So I know that everything between this one and this one I can delete because I don't need that next label. So I'll go ahead and delete that. The same goes with the A. We don't need that as well. So we're getting rid of the icon that's on there. So we'll get rid of that. And then we also want to do it for the beginning. So you'll see these two match up as well. So we can get rid of that. And then we've got that extra space there, so we can just go right up. And now we want to work on the previous button. So let's go ahead, we'll find the div tags for this, and we'll get rid of that. And then we see the icon, we'll get rid of that. And then we also have the previous piece for the control bar, so we can get rid of that as well. Now let's go ahead and save and see if we can test this. Originally, I had been planning on doing this in the CSS, but I had deleted a div tag on here, so I think that this might work easier and better. You may notice just a little change. So now let's go back and see the results. So we can see that this has gone through and works pretty well. So let's refresh and try this whole thing. And then try this one. And now let's go back and review those. So that's working, and that's working as well. So this should be handy for your quiz reviews for the story_HTML5 file. I hope this was helpful.